Alright, you know what? My peeps, I decided to make some mac and cheese. Now, I'm not going to put it in the oven, but my macaroni and cheese is just as good as in the oven. What I'm going to do is, well, I apologize. Step one, I put my water on and I put a little oil in it, and that oil is to prevent your pasta, noodles, elbow from sticking together. So I put that in there, and actually it's almost done. But I put margarine, I got some Velveeta, I got some cream cheese, and actually, hand me that cheese, baby. That's sharp, yeah. And the red bag, I'm also putting in some sharp cheese, and I'm putting in, yeah, give me that, some Mexican cheese. There go another piece of Velveeta. I didn't know I had that in there. But I'm putting all these cheeses in, and let me turn my fire down a little bit. I'm putting all these cheeses in, and I'll also, to this pot, I'm going to use a half a cup of milk. And I'm going to use some pepper, black pepper, and I'm just crazy about Zenman's Creole. I sprinkle a little bit over it, and when it's done, oh gosh, it's creamy. Hey, look, you'll see. When I get done, I'm coming back. Your girl gonna show you what I'm talking about, and I'll be back.
Do it.
All right. I'm gonna now rinse my macaroni. Like I said, see that? Look in there. Can you see that? That's starch, and it's all through the macaroni. That's not the good starch. So I rinse mine off. I fully cook it, and I rinse it off with cold water to stop the cooking process. Now, I let it sit in the cold water. I rinse my pan, a little bit of water. Now, what I'm going to do is, if you follow me over to the stove. Oh, this is my delicious T-bone steak. That's coming up in a soon video. Now, I'm turn my fire on low, because remember, cheese, milk do burn. Now, I'm eyeballing it. I'm going to pour about a half a cup of milk. And I got a piece of a block of cheese, which I'm going to get my knife and cut it up in chunks because it'll melt faster. And I just drop it in there. That milk's not hot, so if it splashes at this point, it's not going to be hot. And I got this block. I made a large pan of mac and cheese, so, or noodle. It's going to be a large. My family love mac and cheese. Can't fix too much around here. Now, what do I do with my spoon? I'm going to wipe my hands off a little bit. Now, I'm also going to get my pepper. Put me some pepper in it. Apologize. And I'm going to put me some Creole seasoning in it. Just eyeballing it. I'm going to tell you, my mother was born in Louisiana, the state of Louisiana. And back in the day, I take it she was raised on eyeballing it. She basically raised me on eyeballing it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take 1.5 spoons of margarine. Getting a little messy here. I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna turn this fire up a little bit. And then I'll go ahead. I got some squeezed cheese. I'm gonna squeeze this in here. So I'm gonna stir that up. And see, as it gets hot, again, the Velveeta block cheese is gonna melt. Everything is gonna start going creamy. Now, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of cheddar and a tablespoon of Mexicana cheese. Now see, look, starting to creamy up. See that? I'm telling you. Once this, all of them, my chunks down here melt, it'll be nice and creamy. And then what I do is I add my elbow macaroni, stir it up, make sure it's even. Voila. And no matter how much I cook, my family, this is something rarely gets to the refrigerator as leftovers. Rarely. So, once this, messy again. Once this is ready to mix into my macaroni, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Here we go with that macaroni. Come on, come on. It's not won't now. Alright. Now, I got just a couple of them that didn't want to melt until I got it over here. Now look at that, look at that. That creaminess. And y'all know, once cheese cool off, it thickens. Right? Right. Oh, that good creamy cheese. You know what? Sometimes I've actually went to where I put, I think it was like 8 different cheeses in my mac and cheese. Now see, if I was making baked mac and cheese, I wouldn't cook my macaroni so long. I would half cook it. And I do almost everything I did, except I put me a little a few more ingredients and put it in the oven. And again, see that? Look how thick that is. That's some good mac and cheese. Matter of fact, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, see? Didn't take long. Watch this, y'all. Let's see. Let's, oop. Slow down, T. Slow down. Let's see. See it? I think I'm going to put a little more black pepper in it. I love it. Let me see. It's creamy. Like I said, I'm going to put a little more black pepper in it. Come here, baby. Come here. I'm calling my son over. Come here. Let me get a clean spoon.
Shouldn't borrow me.
Taste this.
Oh, what's wrong with you?
I was looking at that stuff. They said it's so good you can slap your mama.
Exactly.
Okay.
I love it.
Where my knife at?
Hey, no.
Cause I'm tell you something. One of them slap me, it's gonna be over. Hey boy, you dressed today. You got a girlfriend.
Hey.
Go on with that. All right. Again. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, view it. I promise you, if you follow these directions, you're gonna love it. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So look me up, give me some love, put it to you this way. If it was you, I'd be all in. And I'm just asking, holla at your girl. T. Out.